Dad Riffs, and today we're going to be working on Proud Mary. So you're going to start with a C major. You're going to want that open E string. And that goes to an A major with that open E string. So G, and then you can go to an F. You could do a big F or you could do a small F. I like doing this one. And then you go to a D. So it sounds like this in slow motion. You hang out on that D forever. Now if you want to do the melody with it, hit your thumb on the D string and then have your pointing finger on the second fret of the G string and hit them both at the same time. You're going to pluck that thumb and pointer finger. And then you got open B, and then throw the normal spot for the D chord on there. And then you got open E, and then right there. So when I got to here, I'm hitting that open D again. So it goes. And then this last one's gonna have the D in there. So that's two hammer-ons from open E to the second fret, and then off, and then the B string, and then back up. So I made it kind of bluesy by sliding my pointer finger like this on the second half of that. So it's kind of hard to do, but you can still just keep these fingers on, but almost turn it into a D minor because you're going to slide that up. It's kind of hard to do. You don't have to do that little bluesy slide. Anyways, it gets to this A chord and you're going to hit the E string with it. That's the melody note. So. And then you got your pinky right there on the E string for the melody. And then you got the Proud Mary is B minor. You're going to take your pointer finger bar off but leave the root note. And that's E and B. And then by the time you get to this note, you're going to already be doing this fill, which is the same, it's an octave. So you might as well just jump to this fill. So it goes. So this fill goes like this. But when you hit here, you can hit this note with it and this one. And then, so it goes. Pretty cool. And then it goes into the chorus. So that's a quick hammer-on, quick pull-off, and then you got B, E, B. And then this cool little fill, so it goes. So that's both on the 7th fret, D string, and the B string. So it goes down to 5, and then right here, and then back to 5, and then back to there. The fill that you did earlier that was right before the chorus, it sounded like this. He does it again, but he's doing it right here. So that is 4 on the G string, and you got right here. So when you slide up, then you can throw your middle finger on there like you were doing before. So it goes. Yes. Now you got the little solo. So you're going to take your ring finger and you're going to slide on the A string to the 9th fret. And then you're going to bar right here on the 7th fret on the D, the G, and the B. And it goes. And then ring finger right there on 9 and middle finger on the B string on the 8th fret. And you're going to trade off between those chords like that. And you're just going to be doing like a lot of that kind of stuff. Then you're going to take these two fingers and slide them up, slide them down, and then to here. So far it sounds like this. So that is just you're going down this chord, and so I'm hitting 2 middle strings on the 7th fret, and then you got A and D right here. Then you got E and A, and then the E is on the 10th fret and the A is on the 9th. So, and then you got this cool little thing. So you're going to do a ghost note with your thumb and then pluck the note with your pointer finger, and you're going to do that twice. So it goes, which is very strange. And then you got open B, and then you got right here, back to open, and then back to the 2nd fret. So it's a lot of da, da, da. So and then the same type of pattern right here, except you're just going to hit this and go straight to the B this time. And so that's the 4th fret on the G string, and then open B. And then pointing finger right here, and then going up to there. Pinky right here. But while you're still bouncing off this root note, so it goes. So in slow motion it would be. Back into the chorus. Yes. Good luck, sir. Good luck.